Dear students, now let us see some questions on energy concept in simple harmonic motion. So it is given that a block of mass 1 kg is attached to a spring of spring constant 50 Newton per meter. The block is displaced 10 centimeters from the mean position. Then we are supposed to calculate kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy also when it is 5 centimeters from the mean position. Clear? So first of all, let us see how we can calculate kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is half m omega square into a square minus x square. So this is one equation of kinetic energy in terms of displacement. We have written one more equation of kinetic energy also, no, in terms of time, instant of time. But this is the equation in terms of displacement from the mean position. Clear ma? Then what is this m omega square? K is nothing but m omega square. Already we have discussed this one. So if I substitute instead of m omega square k value, then I can write half k into a square minus x square. Clear? So kinetic energy is equals to half into k value is how much? K value is 50. A is amplitude, A is amplitude is how much? This is amplitude. Maximum displacement from the mean position. So it is given in centimeters, so I will write in terms of meters. So a square, so 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square minus x square. X value is how much? Where he is asking us to find out this energy is at 5 centimeter. So 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Clear? So if I do this total calculation, then the kinetic energy which I will get is 0.1875 joules. 0.1875 joules. So this is our answer. Clear? Similarly, let us see how we can calculate potential energy. So potential energy, how I can calculate potential energy is half kx square. So k value is already given. So half into k value is 50. X is at a displacement of 5, no? So 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Clear? So if I do this calculation, then the potential energy which I should get is 0.0625 joules. So this is the answer which you should get. Then he is asking total energy. How can I calculate total energy? Total energy I can calculate by half m omega square a square. So m omega square can again be written as half into k into a square. So half into k value is 50. Amplitude is 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Clear? If I do this calculation, then it will be equal to 25 into 10 square into 10 power minus 4. Clear? So therefore 0.25 joules. So what is one more method of doing the same equation for total energy? Just add potential energy and kinetic energy. So 0.1875 plus 0.0625. If you do this calculation, again you should get the same answer of 0.25 joules. Clear? So this is our answer. Dear students, now let us see this question. So time period of a particle in SHM is 8 seconds. So mass is 0.1 kg. Velocity is 4 centimeters after 1 second of crossing the mean position. Then find its kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. So first let us list out what is the data which is given. Time period is 8 seconds. Mass is given as 0.1 kg. Velocity is 4 meters per second after a time of 1 second. So t is equal to 1 second. Velocity is equal to 4 meters per second at a time of t is equal to 1 second. Clear ma? So we are supposed to find out kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. So kinetic energy is very easy to calculate because kinetic energy is half mv square at a displacement of this time period at t is equal to 1 second. Velocity is already given as 4 meters per second. So therefore half into mass of the body is how much? 0.1. Velocity is 4 square which is 16. So this is equal to 0.8 joules. Clear? So this is the kinetic energy. Now the question is, how can I calculate potential energy? Potential energy can be written as half m omega square x square. Clear ma? So mass is present. Omega also I can calculate. Omega is equals to 2 pi by capital T. But x value is not there. Okay. So to calculate x value, what can I do? to calculate x value, I have to use the equation x is equals to a sin omega t. So from this equation I can get x value. Clear? But again we have a problem here. A value is also not given. Amplitude of motion is also not given, no? So first of all, let us try to calculate amplitude. Can I calculate amplitude with this equation? Can I calculate amplitude with this equation? I cannot calculate because in this equation I have two unknown quantities, no? X is an unknown quantity, amplitude is also an unknown quantity. So definitely I cannot find out. But velocity is given as 4 at 1 second, no? So I will use the equation of velocity. So we know that V is equals to a omega cos omega t. Clear ma? Already we have written this equation. Velocity is how much? Velocity is 4, amplitude I don't know, and omega value is 2 pi by capital T cos. Omega can be written as 2 pi by capital T into T. Clear ma? So therefore 4 is equals to a into 2 pi by, instead of capital T I can write 8. So cos, so 2 pi by 8 into instant of time is 1 second. Clear? So therefore 4 is equals to a into pi by 4 cos pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 value is cos 45 1 by root 2. So therefore 4 is equals to a into pi by 4 into 1 by root 2. So 4 4s are 16. So 16 root 2 by pi. So a is equals to 16 root 2 divided by pi meters. Clear ma? So this is the amplitude of the particle. Are you able to understand? So once I have calculated the amplitude, you can substitute that amplitude in this relation because I have omega and t also. So I can calculate x value. Once you calculate x value, substitute in potential energy, you can get the answer. Clear? So any other method of doing this one? Any other method of doing this second method is calculate total energy. Total energy is half m omega square a square. This relation already we have now. So therefore half into mass of the particle is how much? Mass is 0.1. Omega is 2 pi by 8 whole square. Clear ma? And amplitude just now we have calculated. So 16 root 2 divided by pi whole square. Clear ma? If you do all this calculation, then I will get total energy is equals to 1.6 joules. This is the answer which I get. So once I get total energy, so from total energy you subtract this kinetic energy, then the remaining energy is potential energy only, no? So therefore potential energy is equal to total energy minus kinetic energy. So total energy is 1.6, kinetic energy is 0.8. So therefore potential energy is 0.8 joules. This is our answer. So in this method also we can do. So this is a bit easier method. So you can substitute a value in this one, calculate x value, then you substitute in potential energy. In this method also we can calculate the potential energy. Okay. Now let us see this question. So at a time when displacement is equal to half of the amplitude, what fraction of total energy is kinetic and what fraction is potential? So here, what is the given data here? Displacement is half of the amplitude. So x is equals to a by 2. Clear ma? So I want to calculate how much percentage of total energy is kinetic and what fraction is potential. So kinetic energy, how I can calculate? Half m omega square into a square minus x square. Clear? So half m omega square into a square minus, instead of x what can I write? I can write a square divided by 4. So therefore half m omega square into, so 3a square divided by 4. Clear ma? So this is 3 by 4th of half m omega square a square. Clear? So therefore half m omega square a square, we know it is total energy. So at a displacement of half of the amplitude, kinetic energy is 3 by 4th of total energy. So therefore I can write kinetic energy is equals to 3 by 4th of total energy at what displacement? At half of the amplitude. Clear ma? So therefore if 3 by 4th energy is kinetic, then remaining energy should be potential. So therefore, so remaining energy is nothing but potential energy, and potential energy is how much? it is, so total 3 E minus 3 by 4 will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4th of total energy. Clear? So this is the fraction. So same value if I want to calculate in terms of percentages, then 3 by 4 into 100. 3 by 4 into 100 is how much? 75%. So 75% of total energy will be kinetic energy. And remaining 25% of energy will be potential energy. Okay. Now let us see this question. A particle of mass 0.1 kg is executing SHM with an amplitude of 0.1 meter. When particle passes through the mean position, its kinetic energy is 8 into 10 power minus 3 joules. So this is the kinetic energy when particle is passing through the mean position. So obtain equation of motion if its initial phase is pi by 4. Clear ma? So let us see how we can write this equation. So equation of motion, x is equals to a sin omega t. Clear? So this is the equation of motion. So a value is already given, it is 0.1 meter. But omega value is not given, and initial phase is also given, no? So I can write it as omega t plus pi by 4. So this is already given. Now I am supposed to find out omega value. So how can I calculate omega value? Let us see if I can find out with the help of the kinetic energy at the mean position. So kinetic energy at a mean position, we know it will be maximum. Clear? So therefore how can I write? It can be written as half m V maximum whole square. And V max we know it is equals to A into omega. So maximum velocity is A into omega. This already we have studied. So therefore it is equals to half into A square omega square. So this is equals to kinetic energy maximum. So this is also the total energy also. Because at the main position already always total energy is kinetic energy is maximum, and at the mean position only energy possessed by the particle is kinetic energy. Are you able to understand? So what is the value of kinetic energy given? It is 8 into 10 power minus 3 is equals to half into what is the mass of the particle? Mass of the particle is 0.1, and amplitude is how much? Amplitude is 0.1 whole square. And omega value, that is what we are supposed to find out. Clear ma? So omega square. If I do all this calculation, then omega value will be 4 radians per second. This is the answer which I will get. Clear? So these calculations I am not doing just to save time. So omega is equals to 4 radians per second. Now just substitute in this equation. So x is equals to a. A value is how much? 0.1. Okay, sin omega value is 4. So 4t plus pi by 4. So this will be our required equation for equation of a particle performing simple harmonic motion. Now let us see this question. So a particle of mass 0.5 kg executes SHM under a force of F is equals to minus 50 Newton meter into x. So if it crosses the center of oscillation with a speed of 10 meters per second, then find the amplitude of motion. Clear ma? So a value we are supposed to find out, amplitude of motion. Clear? So here it is given that it crosses the center of oscillation with a speed of 10. So what is meant by crossing the center with a speed of 10? It means that is the maximum velocity, no? So a particle crosses the mean position always with a greater velocity, highest velocity. So therefore what can I write? V max is equals to A into omega. We know this relation. So V is equals to A into omega is equal to 10 meters per second. Clear ma? So he is asking to find out A value, but omega is also an unknown quantity. So two unknown quantities are present here. So therefore let us see how we can calculate omega value with the other data which is given. So mass is 0.5 kg and force is following according to this relation. So F is equals to minus 50 Newton per meter into x. Clear ma? So therefore force is given as minus 50 Newton per meter into x. So if I compare this one by minus k into x, k can be written as 50 into Newton per meter. Okay, and we know that k value is equals to m omega square. So therefore k is equals to m omega square. So 50 is equal to mass of the particle is 0.5 into omega square. So if I do this calculation, omega is equals to 10 radians per second. This is the value of omega which we got. Now take this omega value and substitute here. So therefore, maximum velocity 10 is equals to a into omega. Omega value is 10. So therefore, a is equals to 1 meter. So therefore, the amplitude of the particle in SHM is 1 meter. So just this given force equation, we are comparing with the restoring force equation minus k into x. Clear?